This week's challenge is to use a plant-based protein.
Yes, so plant-based proteins provide usually fewer calories, less fat. They can provide lots of other nutrients, and best of all, they're usually less expensive than animal proteins.
Yes.
Which is always a plus.
So a couple ideas. We've got lots of recipes on our website that use things like beans, whole grains like quinoa, nuts and seeds like walnuts, and then lentils as well, which you can find in the bulk department in our natural organic section, otherwise in the normal beans aisle as well.
Sure. And the last star of our show today is our tofu. So I think sometimes a lot of people might be unfamiliar with tofu or how to prepare it or whatever. So we're just going to show you a few tips for preparing tofu. The first step is you're going to want to press your tofu. So we have ours on a plate that's lined with a Viva paper towel. We're going to just cover that and then place a heavy object, so we have like a skillet, on top of it. And you just want to let that set for anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours. And what that does is it helps to get the water out of it, which helps it to cook better. It makes the tofu firmer. The texture is a little bit more like an animal protein then.
Yes, so you can cook it. You can put it either in the oven or put it in a skillet where you get that nice crispy crust. The nice thing about tofu is that it really takes on any of the flavors you're adding. So you can add in any of your favorite sauces.
Great. Well, good luck. Have fun, and we will see you next week.